The government agency with the Population Commission, this is now cascading the population program and development not only sa province of Iloilo and the region, but municipality-based na. So, groundworks na ni siya. This is because ang population office expanded na ng ilang function. No? Napatian nyo kayo na si Director Marshall, it's not only contraceptives anymore. No, it's data banking, data gathering, so that we can use the data that we have for our own consumption para maghimo kami development plans. And we need that in the local government unit. That's why ang mga population officers ng isang province nakakascade sa amon, sa Banwa, and of course the other programs of the population commission, so that ma-empower man ang amon ng mga BSPOs kay sila ning frontline sa data gathering, and we really need it for our development plan. So amo na ang direction sang amon municipalities, and we are very appreciative nga nag-agi sila through LMP para isa na lang ka what you call that? Isa na lang ka isang bagsakan, the term, no? Isang bagsakan na lang para ang tanan ng mayors ma-involve na. No? So, amo sila.
So, ma-help ang LGU mag-cascade ng programs niya?
Actually, it will be institutionalized na. That's institutionalization na down the line sa grassroots level na. So, community-based na. Hindi lang nga sa una makadto pa sila, but with the population officers assigned sa mga banwa, ma-closely coordinate and closely work with na sila sa LGU for the PopDev program. Amo na na.
At least may point person na sila sa Banwa.
Yes, may ara na. And may mga assigned na sila nga population officers sa kada banwa. So, easy na lang sa amon man mag-access sa mga records in the same manner. Easy man sa ila magkuha sa amon data for purposes of consolidation kay actually we need it. And the trend now is we should be scientific in planning. Hindi na kita ka palagpat, ka widow sa aton mga projections, sa aton nga mga long-term plans. We need data to support the same.
Ang isa yan natin, Mayor.
Okay. Now, second with the IBP. Now, no bias because I'm a lawyer. Pero we need also the integrated part of the Philippines, ang ilan ng legal aid program. Actually, originally that's legal aid program. Pero this time, they will go down man sa municipalities for free legal consultations and other legal services. Which is very important, no? Because of the new laws that are being enacted. Safe Spaces Act, anti-bullying, ang mga updated natin ng mga laws sa anti-drugs, VAUSI, and everything. And I think people should be aware sa community. And the community itself should be empowered to have knowledge of those kinds of laws. Kag may iban balaan, may fear na sila nga hindi magsugit kung may acts bala or incidents. So at least kung ara ang IBP with the lawyers standing by, ang level pala sang ilang confidence nga mag-istorya amo ni natabot sa akon, it would really help a lot, no? Because ako as a mayor and a lawyer, I have experienced that. Ako pirmi ang ginapamangkutan. So actually, ang absorptive capacity ko nagasobra na. But with the IBP at the helm, at least may fallback position man ang mga banwa. And it's not only with the community, even with the legalities on the performance of the functions of the employees and the officials of the municipalities. It will help a lot.
Mayor, I believe.
Nalaganan yung kaso may mga legal.
Yes, of course. You can have the legal consultation. It's different if it's a case because we have the provincial legal office to handle. Pero ang ini naman, at least they have other alternate or options nga makapangayo sila, makakonsulta. Not only sa community level, sa constituents, but also mismo sa performance ng functions ng local government unit, which is very important because we should be within always the bounds of the law. So dapat and the partnership would strengthen, of course, no, the link, no, so that the mayors, kuwan man bala, okay lang ako kay lawyer, but our mayors basically would be updated kung ano ang mga bago, ng mga lahi, kung anong mga latest nga mga amendments or mga revisions nila, at least kabalo man kami, no?
Mayors-
Not only our constituents.
Mayors ang office ni Honorable Amalia Dibuque, somehow daw may say man bala nga platform.
Yes,
may
but that's
kaangtanan
liga, that's
yes.
barangay.
Oo.
Well,
Mapartner kita sa ila or do we plan habi nga
well, actually sa barangay, no problem, kaya may araman sila.
Mm.
But this time, since they're going down to the community, well, it's an option, it's an alternate. So, it's either, damo na sila palapitan.
Mm-mm.
They can go to IBP, they can also go to Liga. And Liga is also partnering actually with lawyers man. So why problema? Kay all lawyers are members of the IBP. Actually, I am a member of the IBP. So, at least, may ara nga
mas
options.
nag-widen ng ano.
Oo, nagdako lang. So, nag-expand ang services kag nagdamo opportunities. Nagdamo ang opportunities nila nga katuan, nagpamangkutan.
Okay.
Ano ang request na Mayor? Ay, bali may schedule ang mga IBP members magpanahon sa mga
Actually, naka-schedule to kay nagin-announce ni Attorney Mel, no, ni IBP Press. May schedule sa mga banwa as per request. So that makatipon man sila tao kag kung may mga asa sa notaryo mahal ang notaryo.
When ni siya ma-start with Mayor man?
Actually, naka-start off na ni. But we wanted it to be formalized so that by next year, makascape maayo, kag maka-take off bala maayo.
May we know, Mayor, if the when gini ni siya nag-start?
Last September or hindi lang. Oo. But I talked with Attorney Mel because we are together in WILAP also, Women Law Advocates. Ano ko, let us formalize this para next year, ang mga banwa nga gusto, masigi-sige na lang. Oo, masigi-sige na lang so that IBP can also schedule kasi ang lawyers may limited time na sila mo kag ang mismo ang banwa maka-prepare maayo. Oo.